Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this end table that someone almost threw out. If you want to learn or see how I did this, then just keep on watching. So I started off by sanding the surfaces of the table with 60 grit sandpaper. I then went and sanded the rest of the table with 80 grit sandpaper, and any areas I couldn't reach with the sander, I sanded by hand. The table had these little fancy schmancy wooden decor thingies that I was not feeling, so I just ripped them off. I then used wood filler to fill in any gaps left by the nails and some gaps that were already on the table because it was a pretty worn down table, not gonna lie. I then sanded the areas I applied the wood filler after it dried. Before painting, I wiped off the table, just removing any dust and stuff. For paint, I used Bare Paint and Primer in Ultra Pure White. And yes, even though it's a paint and primer, I still sanded the legs because I'm that extra. I did 3 coats of this, and I'm sure I could have gone for one more, but after looking at it for a while, I thought it wasn't that serious. For the little studs and the trim on the upper part of the table, I used acrylic paint in the shade Antique Copper. So I did 2 coats of white in one day and the third on the next day. For the top, I decided to stain it using a homemade DIY stain, and I was very scared to do this, but it actually came out pretty decent. To make the stain, I mixed brown and black acrylic paint with some water and then applied it to the table. After it dried up, I realized I wanted it to be a little more of a reddish tint, so I added Barn Red to the original concoction. I did 2 coats of that and I still wasn't 100% happy with the results, so I created a whole new concoction which consisted of an orange acrylic paint, a brighter red, and then I added some of the original concoction to the new one. So I applied that the same way, and then I grabbed a paper towel and I wiped off the excess. And this makes a huge difference because, like, I wanted a red tone, but, like, not like that red. Like, you know? To seal it, I used Super Gloss Mod Podge, and I thought I recorded this, but like, I didn't. So this is the finished product. I am very pleased with the way it came out, actually. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.